Hi everyone! As promised, I'm making you a little video to talk through iProfile, which I think should be activated now on your Canvas. So under Chapter 1 Nutrition, you have two areas that you need to go. The first is the iProfile case study assignment that says fast food. I switched the due date of this until Monday night just because I know I won't be around this weekend, so in case anybody has any issues, you can ask me in class on Monday. So we click on iProfile case study assignment fast food, as I'm doing now, and what will come up there is 10 questions. So the purpose of this assignment is to complete the iProfile profile for Cody as we did in class today, and then answer a series of questions based on the reports. So as I showed you in class today, the way that you get to his profile is you click on question 1, and it says using the iProfile case study fast food menu, which you can click on it from your Wiley Plus iProfile resources, enter Cody Roberts' data into the program to answer the following questions. And you're going to be using the report called intake spreadsheet. So if I click on the iProfile fast food menu, then I come up with that Word document that we were using in class today. So you have that Word document. Then, after you have that tab open, you're also going to open up the tab that says iProfile. And this should now bring you to iProfile 3.1. Here is where you're going to click on the profile. You're going to enter Cody's information. You're going to then go to the food journal and enter the foods as I did in class today. Then you're going to go to the next day and go back to Cody's case study report and start to add in the foods from the following day. So this is the day 2 menu. And I want you to make sure that you're using the same meals so you compare the lunch to the lunch or dinner to dinner, whatever you prefer. So you see I selected that, I'm putting it in here, I'm searching. Then I click on there after I've searched. I make sure the portion sizes match what was in the case study. So I see 3 ounces there and 3 ounces here, and I'm going to add that to lunch. Now you're going to do that for all of the different foods. And so you should have 2 dates that look green at the end, your day 1 and your day 2. Then you're going to head into the reports. You're going to click on the intake spreadsheet. And then you're going to go through this series of questions in the Chapter 1 iProfile case study assignment that you can answer by using that intake spreadsheet. So all 10 questions, you can see this first question is just on nutrient density, but then as you go to the other questions, it will ask you really specific questions that pertain to the reports from day 1 and day 2 of the fast food menu. So I'm going to suggest that you try to get this done prior to Monday when we come into class and come back with any questions that you might have. I made this due on Monday night at 11:59 p.m. So if there are questions and you're not able to finish this between now and then you have a little bit of time to get acclimated with this. We use iProfile each week, and so it's really important to me that you have a good understanding of this program before we dive a little deeper into class. So this is a nuts and bolts assignment, just kind of getting used to the concepts of nutrient density and getting used to logging. So I had a great time meeting all of you this week, and I really look forward to seeing you on Monday in class. Have a great day, everyone.